Viewers, I am Mohammad Tahir Ahmed from computerfever.com, your online instructor. Friends, from this video, we shall begin to make this e-commerce store in PHP and MySQLi with the assistance of Bootstrap 3. So friend, this e-commerce dynamic store will be made in this course, and this is the introduction of this video. Friend, this is the home page of this store. You can see this slider. This is the slider, and these three tags are about some information. We love our customers, best prices, 100% satisfaction guarantee. And this is the latest this week tag, and these are the latest products, and this is the footer, which is about pages, user section, top categories, where to find us, our address, and get the news. And these are the share buttons, and this is the subscription box. You can subscribe here. If I write any Gmail here like this, and if I click over subscribe, so you can see this subscription box, Google FeedBurner subscription box will be open. I will have to write here this CAPTCHA code here, and then I click over this. So I close this box. In the same way, you will give the address of your Facebook page, Twitter page, and others, Gmail and others, and then the visitors will share your website with their timeline friends. So if I click over go to contact page, then I shall go to contact page. This is the contact page. I shall show you this later. If I click over home, so this is the home page. So friend, then if I click over this search box, then you see that this search box is being opened in this way. I click over it again, and now you can see, and this is the header, welcome guest. Only this text is being written here because I am not logged in now. If I log in, when I will log in, then my email address will be shown here. In the same way, shopping cart, total price, and total items all will be shown here whenever I shall do any shopping from this website, or anybody who will do any shopping over this website. So now this is the register button. So if I want to register, I click over it, and this is the register new account. If I don't have any account, then I shall fill all this form, and I shall make the account over this site. In my account, if I click over my account, if I am login, then I shall write my email address here and the password here, and I shall click over login. And if I don't have any account, then I shall click over new register here. Then this form will be open again before me for registering as a newcomer. So I click over home. In the same way, go to cart. If I do any shopping and I want to check it, then how many products I have bought, then I click over go to cart. Then this cart, shopping cart page will be open before you, and this is the text. You also like these products, and all my products which I bought, quantity, unit price, size, and I would delete those products, and their total also will be shown here. So friend, this is the login button. If I have any account, for example, if I click over login, so here I write my address here, for example, brock@gmail.com, and here I write here brock123, just the dummy email address. You are logged in. This message is being shown. I click over login. Now you can see that welcome brock@gmail.com, and this my picture, Brock Lesnar picture image is being shown here, and this is the admin panel. This is the admin panel which is inside the my account is being shown here. And these two products which I bought, I would, if I click over confirm I paid, then this page will be open before you. Invoice number, amount sent, select the payment method, bank code, UBL only, Easy Paisa, and etc. Transaction reference ID, Easy Paisa, and payment date. And then I shall click over confirm payment. And if I want to pay offline, then this is the pay offline using method. If I want to edit my account, then I would edit the user. I mean the user would edit his or her account through this panel. If the user wants to change his or her password, then he would easily change his password. If you want to delete account, then you really want to delete your account, then he would easily delete his account. And if you want to log out, then if I click over log out, then he should be log out. So friend, this is the overview of this front home page. So once again, I log in and I show you something more. And I write here block Brock 123, login. And now I go to the second page, which is shop. If I click over shop, then all these shop products are being shown, and you can also see this pagination. So this is the first page. If I click over the second page, so these are the products which are over the second page, and this is the third page. So all these pages through the pagination are being shown over here. So these are the product categories. If I click over jackets, then all the products relating to jackets are being shown here. The same way, if I click over accessories, then the products relating to accessories are being shown here. If I click over shoes, then all the shoes are being shown here. And coats, then the coats are showing here. T-shirts, then all the t-shirts will be shown here. In the same way, the second step is categories. Categories about men, women, kids, and others. If I click over men, then all the products which are relating to men, only men, are being shown here. The same way, if I click over women, then the products relating to women are being shown here. Kids, the products about kids are being shown here. Others, then the mixed products are being shown here. So friend, this is the shop page. The second page, if I click over home, then I shall go back to home. And the third one is my account. Sorry, once again, I go back to shop and I show you now. If I click over any product, if I want to click over it, view detail, if I click over it, I click over here or click over here. So now you can see the image of this picture. You can see this is the slider, this is the back side. This is the front side of this shirt, this is the back side of this t-shirt, and this is the side area of this t-shirt. And this is the detail, little detail about this product, and it is size small, medium, and large. And these are the related products, recent related products of this t-shirt. This is the title of this product and quantity. If I want to, how many products I want to buy, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can increase the quantity. I have just written 4. You can write here till 10, numbers till 10. So if I click over 3, and this is the size, small, medium, and large. If I click over medium, so now if I can first I take you to my account. So you can see that this my account is, this is the my account. This is the user admin panel. So if I click here, once again, I come back here, I click here, I choose the category quantity, I choose the size medium, and I click over add to cart. Now this product has been added into cart. So if I click over one item in the cart, so if I click over it, now you can see that US Polo SN blue polo shirt, quantity 3, 69 price. And total t-shirts multiply to 69 is total price is $207 total prices. So if I buy one more this jacket, if I click over it and I just remain it one quantity, I select it as size and I click over it and now you can see 2 items in the cart, and here you can see that price. Shopping cart, total price $995, total items 2, and welcome Brock Lesnar. If I go here, now you can see that these 2 items are being shown over here. If I click over continue to shopping, so I go back to my shop page, home page, so you can see. So if I click over once again items in the cart, and if I want to delete, automatically they have automatically total their price is $995. If I want to delete any item, so if I click over it and I click over update cart, so this item has been deleted and its price also has been deducted from the cart. So now it is price $207. So friend, this is the overview of shopping cart, that how can you do the shopping, how can any user can perform shopping very easily, very easy understand for user to make it understand. I have tried my best that this e-commerce store theme should not be difficult, so the customer should shopping here easily to understand it. So this is my account. I have already told you about this, and this the last one is contact us. So this is the contact us form. If the user, the visitor or buyers have any question about it is shopping, or he or she wants to contact with us, he can write his email, name, email, subject and message, and click over send message, and we will receive his or her message through this contact form. So friend, this is the overview, the little overview of this e-commerce store. Now I would like to show you, it is admin panel which will be used for the admin of this website. So I write here the admin address, Karina@gmail, also dummy Gmail address, and now I click over login. Now you are logged in into admin panel. So friend, this is the admin panel. So you can see that this is the dashboard. This is the picture of admin, Karina Khan, admin, her email address, country India, and the dummy contact, and this is the dummy text. So friend, these are the products. If the admin wants to see the products detail, he would click over view details, and she would see all the products here, and she would also delete her products here and edit her products here very easily. And in the same way, I go back if he wants to view the customers, so she would click over customers. These 2 are the customers. She would delete these customers from here. I go back dashboard. If she wants to watch the categories, so she will click over and she will see the categories. In the same way, if she wants to see the orders, that how many orders are inside her website, so she would easily watch the orders. These are the pending orders, and some orders are complete, and she would also delete these orders. So if I go back to dashboard, and now I show you this dashboard in detail. These are the products icon. First one, insert products. The admin would insert new products through this form, and admin would also view products through these icons, these buttons. Second is categories. If I click over products categories, admin will insert new products, insert product categories. Second, the view categories very easily. Now I see the view slides. So this is the slides, friend. I show you view slides. These are 4 slides which are here. This is a slider. So I have made this slider also dynamic. If you want to change this slider, if the admin wants to change this slider, obviously, then admin would easily change this slider dynamically through these slides. Very easily, he would delete this and he would edit, enter, or upload the new slide here. So this is the first time that I have made this slider dynamically, and the admin would easily change this slider through here. So this is the insert slide. He would write the slide name and choose the upload image here. So friend, this is the view customers. So admin would watch the customers. So view orders, admin would also watch the orders, and view payments. So admin would watch the payments, and users, insert user in the same way. Admin would upload and insert the new users. New user means new admins, and the same way view users, these are the two admins, Suhail and Karina. And the edit profile, our admin would also edit his or her profile here and log out. If admin wants to log out, so he would click over log out and will be log out. And friend, last but not least, this e-commerce store layout template is fully responsive. So I show you it is responsiveness by decreasing the size of this theme. Now you can see that this theme is being shown in this way when I have decreased its size, and if I decrease its size more, now you can see that this icon button is showing in this way, and I take the scroll bar down. Now you can see that all these products are being shown in this way in a line, and if I click over this icon, then all these icons are being shown here. All its pages are totally dynamic. This is the subscription box, and if I click over search button, then this search button will show. Sorry, if I click over it, now you can see that this is the search button. So friend, this theme is fully and completely responsive, and I have made it responsive with the assistance of Bootstrap 3, because now Bootstrap 3 is very good function for making any theme responsive. So now I increase its size. I hope you would have understood everything about this e-commerce store website template, and I hope that when you will attend this course, you would be able to make these kind of so many responsive and fully dynamic and attractive website layouts. In this way, it is very simple, it is dynamic, it is responsive, and I hope I see that it is also attractive for people too. So join this course and see that whether it is up to your merit or not. Goodbye.